People say that in the AI age, English doesn't matter anymore. Is this really true? In fact, experts are saying the opposite. Foundational skills such as English and math matter more than ever. So how should our children learn English today? Can AI apps really replace real learning? Well, AI is great for vocabulary and repetition, but it cannot teach how to think clearly, write with structure, or speak with confidence. Because real language learning is built through human interaction, challenge, and personal guidance. That's exactly the approach we take at Burning Bush English. We focus on helping students think, write, and speak at a high level. International schools and foreign schools can give you exposure, but real proficiency comes from a strong foundation. For an accurate assessment of your child's English proficiency, please take the free diagnostic test below. A complimentary one-on-one consultation is available after completion.